Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to New York. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items inside may fall out. Please also check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. You may now switch on your personal electronic devices with the cellular functions. However, United States Immigration and Customs Authority prohibit the use of a mobile phone while in the federal inspection area. Failure to comply may result in the confiscation of your mobile phone. It's been our pleasure taking care of you today. Once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay. We thank you for your patience and understanding. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of One World Alliance. Goodbye.
Thank you. Hello, world. I am back in my dungeon, and that concludes my trip to the Philippines, May 2023. So the plane landed around 9 p.m. New York time, and I got the global entry, so custom went smooth. He asked me, do I have anything to declare? I told him I bought a whole bunch of souvenirs, the average keychain, tote bags and stuff, you know. And then he asked me, do I have any cash? I spent it all, to be honest with you. Yeah, man. It haven't dawned on me, but when it comes to traveling half the world away, I think you need at least 3 weeks. I had about 10 days, even though I appreciate it. I think that 3 weeks would be reasonable. Why am I saying 3 weeks? With the 10 days that I had, I felt like everything was rushed. And, but nevertheless, I appreciate it. My neck is sore, all right, from sitting down. That flight was about 15 hours, okay, from Manila to Hong Kong. No, excuse me. That flight from Manila to Hong Kong was about 2 hours. And then from Hong Kong to New York, JFK was 15 hours, about roughly. Um, yeah, I had a great time. I wish that it was a bit longer, but I'll take what I can for now. For now, even though it was short, I appreciate it. I appreciate the time spent with family members, the food that I've eaten, the place that I visit, and people that I met. I'm definitely gonna try to go back within a few months, even for a couple of days. It's always great going back to the motherland. Um, yeah, it's been a good ride, a good experience, and I'm looking forward to doing it all over again, but visiting a different location this time. So, if you like what I'm doing, if you like all of the stuff that I've done, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.